Okay, so now we're in second normal form, and we were just looking at the relationships, and order is causing us a problem. And you can see that in this table here. This is an order table, and you can see that for the order for Greenhead College for the 12th to the 8th, there's actually more than one line. There are 5 lines in here, but they've got different product codes. So some things are repeated. Okay, so the date, the order taken by, the company name are repeated. We don't want that. We don't want any repetition. So there's a problem here that we need to deal with, and this is what second normal form does. So we may need to, it says, that applies to multiple rows. We've got multiple rows of an entity and place them in separate entities. So what we actually want to do is to only have one place where we record the date, the order taken by, the company name, but then somehow we need to relate that to another entity which has got all the product codes in it for that particular order. So let's just separate them out. Okay, so I'm just going to move that over here, and here's my menu. Okay, this comes back, there we go. And what do we need to take out of order? So if I copy that, so here's the order. So the bits that I don't want in it, if you like, if you look at the table here, what don't I want in here? So for the order, all I need is the date, the order taken by, and the company name. All these bits are the ordered items. Okay, so I'm going to just take out, I want to take out the product code and the quantity ordered, and leave that over here. Okay, so that's what I want in there. So I need to make another entity now which has got the product codes and the quantities in. So I'm going to remove my table, get it out of the way. Okay, there, and let's copy and paste this again. So like I said, we want the ordered item, so I'm going to call this ordered item, and I'm going to take out of here, all right, there we go, the bits that we put into the order table, so a date, order taken by, and company name. So I'm just left with product code and quantity ordered. So we've got this thing now where I've got ordered item here, and I've got order. Now at the moment I've got nothing to join them together, so obviously I need a foreign key in ordered item to link to the order entity. Okay, but what's going to be the key in the order entity? Now the date and the company name will give it a composite key, that's fine. Now that would mean I'd have to put the date and the company name in the ordered item as well. So it may be simpler to change this so that we have another field which is called the order code, and make that a primary key, and then company name and date are no longer a composite key. So I'm just thinking of in terms of efficiency in here. Then what I can do is I can add another field, another attribute to here, and put in there, let's put the same text, order code, and I'll make that, I'll put FK for that so you can see foreign key. Okay, so we'll take that out, Control B, and we'll take that out of there so that this can repeat. So for this order code we can have product codes, quantity ordered, and then over here we can have the order code, but this can't repeat, can it? Because so for on particular order, if we get egg salad, I only want one egg salad. Okay, so the product code will be a composite key over here. Okay, so these will actually be two primary keys together. So this will also, it's a foreign key, but it's a primary key. So I've got a composite key over here, so it should have order code, product code, so there should only be one record for egg salad for this particular order. Okay, so what I've done now is where I had a many-to-many relationship, I've now got one-to-manys, which is exactly what I want. So if I join that to that, that's a one-to-many, and if I join that to that, that's a one-to-many. So I've actually, this is now in second normal form. So I've got subsets of data, so I've just used this table and we could see where the subsets of data were, and we pull those out and we put those into separate entities, and we've made our database make sense now. Okay, so ordered item is an entity that breaks up that relationship. So now we're in second normal form.